Good morning everyone. I'm up at 4 o'clock this morning. It's a long drive up to Frankfurt and then down to Offenbach, where I'll pick up my train and drive all the way back down to Ingolstadt, where I am now, or a little bit further to Münster to be exact. Hopefully it'll be nice weather. It's dark o'clock at the moment and it's, well, as I said, 4 o'clock. Packed my lunch for later and shit shower and shave, and I'll be off after I've had my coffee. And yes, see you in a bit. So it's starting to get light. Walking through the park up towards the train station in Ingolstadt. It's a little bit overcast, but I'm hoping the clouds will get chased away by the sun. The sun is just starting to come up on the horizon, and yes, I've got my pack with me. It's a little bit chilly, but it's okay, it's not that cold. Right, it takes me about 20 minutes to walk up to the train station. See you in a bit. So this is platform 4 and 5 in Ingolstadt, where I usually get on the train, and it's late, as usual in Germany, always late. There you go. Late as usual. And the sun is starting to wake up. So I'll wait for it to come in and then I'll be off towards Frankfurt. I'm in the ICE on my way to Offenbach to start my journey back to Ingolstadt. In the ICE on the morning, it's usually empty, and I do my admin and have a drink of coffee and look out the window, enjoy the view, especially on a day like this. Sunshine. Yes, and just relax. Make sure my journey's ready. Look at things that are happening on the way, which I can plan through the various apps that we use. You know, just relax. It's a nice journey, usually, and we're on time today, which is 10 minutes late, which is on time in Germany. So, see you in a bit. It's now almost 9 o'clock and I'm at Offenbach Ost. Sun shining. There's still clouds. It's not that warm. But I'm now at coming up to my locomotive. I've just called in to find out how things are going, and they've told me I'm just driving with the locomotive all the way, so won't be able to drive any faster, but it's easier. Obviously you can stop and start much quicker. And yeah, I'm coming up to restricted areas. And there's my train, my locomotive down there. So I'll get down there and get it sorted out, and then I'll be off.